How do you keep the music playing? How do you make it last? How do you keep the song from fading too fast? How do you give yourself to someone and never lose your way? How do you not run out of new things to say? And if we know we're always changing, how can it be the same? And tell me how, year after year, you're sure your heart will fall apart each time you hear her name. I know the way I feel for you, it's now or never. The more I love, the more that I'm afraid that in your eyes I may not see forever, forever. If we can be the best of lovers, yet be the best of friends, if we can try with every day to make it better as it grows, with any luck, then I suppose the music never